Oh, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, and this will be number 1972. And before I start, let me count what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. A double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in one. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so that the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an 1 and an O. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So this should be a 1. Alright. 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then do we need to compare? Let me think. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same like here. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's in this first row, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one here and O there, no. Double O here and 1 there, 1. Double one here and O there, no. Double O here and 1 there, 1. 3 ones. So if I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then we need to compare, I think. We need to compare. Yes, this one is almost the same. 001111 000011. Empty box, empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, do we have a 101? No. 101, almost the same. Do we have here? No, I need to compare the columns, I believe. Yeah. first column and the fourth column. 1 1 empty box, 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, there should be an O. With a O there, there should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic it will be, aka Suguru in Japanese. Thank you and bye bye for now.